Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube here again. What we're looking at here is a Q Nilfisk Alto hose. So what we're doing is trying to build as many hoses as possible with 1/4" BSP threads, standard threads. Standard thread, BSP both ends. So 10 metre hose, 15, 20s and so on. But the most important part is with BSP, especially with Q nowadays, because the reason being the machines aren't getting any younger. And what we can simply do is, if the machine fails at any stage or you need to change the machine, we just change the ends by changing the probe or changing the screw fitting. This is obviously Q Alto Nilfisk. This is for the dynamics and everything else out there in the Q range, and also the newer machines in the Nilfisk range. Probe that goes into the gun side, but like I say, this is 10 metre proper rubber hose, non-kinking, that don't all spiral all up. Lay flat, lay straight hose. One wire hose, 250 bar. Far superior quality than all the other hoses in the marketplace that I see. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Like I say, I'm trying to make it so this world is not a throwaway world anymore. We change the ends and keep the hose. We'd like to think that the hose outlasts a lot of these machines that's out there in the marketplace nowadays as well. Thank you.